Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Since last class we've been discussing Indian polity. Part 3, Constitution deals with fundamental rights, and there are sets of rights guaranteed to all citizens of India to ensure their dignity, equality and freedom. This is what we have discussed last class, and this is going to be a continuation classes for today as well. We are going to discuss next set of the right to freedom is what we are going to discuss today. That is right to freedom, article 19 to 22. First article 19 guarantees the 6 freedoms of freedom of speech and expressions, freedom of assemblies, and freedom of form of or associations or union, freedom of movement, freedom of reside and settlement in any of the country, and freedom of possession, occupation, trade or business. And the explanation of Article 19 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the several fundamental freedom that are essential for a growth and development of a democratic society. These freedoms empowers individual to express their thoughts and associates with others, move freely within the country, and pursue their chosen profession and trade. For example, suppose there is a peaceful protect or organization by citizen to raise awareness about the environmental issues affecting their local community. Article 19 allows the citizens to exercise their freedom of assembly and expression, enabling them to gather and protect peacefully and voice their concerns without fear of government repressions. Their right is crucial for forecasting public engagement and driving positive social changes in the country. Article 20 is protections in respect of convictions for offences. Article 20 provides a safeguard to individuals who are accused and committing an offence, ensuring that they are not subjected to certain retrospective double punishment. It ensures the fairness and prevent any arbitrary or unjust treatment of those accused of crime. For example, let's say an individual was an accused and convicted and crime before a new law was enacted, and the new law prescribes a harasser punishment for the same offences. Article 20 prevents the applications of the new law retrospectively, ensuring the individual is not subjected to more severe punishment than what he was applicable at the time the offence was committed. Article 21 right to leave and professional liberty, which includes the right to live with a dignity. Article 21 is one of the most fundamental and significant rights guaranteed to by the Indian Constitution. It asserts and every person has the right to live and personal liberty, and this right is not limited to mere survival but extended a life with dignity and respect. For example, Article 21 is in action would be in case of custodial death or police brutality, if a person's life is unlawfully taken while in police custody, or they are subjected to inhuman treatment. Article 21 ensures that justice is sought and the perpetrators are held accountable. This right also extended to issues such as access to clean water, proper health care and safe working condition, ensuring the citizens to have the opportunity to live with a dignity and well-being. Article 21 right to free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years, and Article 21A was added through the 86th constitutional amendment and ensure that the children between the age of 6 and 14 have the right to free and compulsory educational. This provision aims to promote universal education and reduce the dropout rate among children. For example, let's consider a scenario where a child from a disadvantaged background had previously had unable to attend school due to financial constraint. Article 21 ensures that the state provides free and compulsory educations to this child, enabling them to access quality education and build a brighter future. Article 22 protection against the arrest and detention in certain cases. Article 21 provides safeguard to protect individual from arbitrary arrest and detentions. It lays down certain rights that must be safeguarded to a person who is arrested or detained, including the right to be informed of the grounds for arrest, the right to legal representations, and right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. For example, suppose an individual is arrested within any valid reason without being informed or charged against them. Article 22 ensures that the arrest person has the right to be informed of the reason for their arrest and grants them access to legal representation. If the rights are violated, the individual can approach the courts to seek remedy and protections of their fundamental rights. These fundamental rights ensures enacting Article 19 to 22 are crucial in enhancing every citizen dignity and liberty are protected, and they serve as an essential safeguard against any potential misuse of power by a state or any arbitrary actions that may infringe upon the rights of individual. The examples provided demonstrated how these rights play a vital role in upholding the principle of justice, equality, and human rights in India. That's all for the day, friends. I hope these videos are going to helpful for your preparations. Enjoy learning. Happy learning. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.